Bagging the big game by land or sea, smoking a camel and drinking brandy, hunting big bucks. You might think he's nuts, but he's better than porn. It's Dylan Outdoors.
Okay, folks, Dylan Outdoors coming back at you again. Unbelievable. I've been sitting out this year. I had no time for nothing. Nothing at all. Got my little baby daughter. Love her right to death. Always, any free minute I get, try to be there. But I've been hunting hard. I mean hunting hard. Mornings and evenings. I've had a lot of time off this year. I put a lot of effing time in down here. I mean time. Anybody who's drove down, seen my car, yeah, I've been here. A lot. I've looked down that stretch there, and up here, a fucking pile of times. But this morning, folks, it all fucking paid off. I mean big time. Dumped an absolute beauty. Beautiful 8-pointer this morning. Didn't have the camera rolling because I was hunting alone, but it is what it is. I'll get you something. You get to look this buck over anyway. Successful 2000. Oh, we're going to drag him out. Got a couple of buddies. Yeah, Mike. Mike was with me down here this morning on the hunt. He was sitting up the road a little ways from me, but there's my little chair. I tell you what, I've sat here a good many fucking hours. I can tell you that much. Beauty this morning, folks. I was sitting right back there in my chair where I've sat 1,000 hours this year. Sitting there. At 7 o'clock, I texted Mike. He was up the road from me. I said, I don't know what I did to deserve sitting this long and not seeing an effing buck this year. 7:05, I said, fuck it. Mike, fuck the scent lock shit. I know I sprayed down this morning, but fuck it. I'm miserable, I'm cold, I'm smoking a cigarette. That was at 7:04. At 7:10, granted, the wind was in my direction, in my favor, but at 7:10, I just put that cigarette out at 7:08. At 7:10, old beauty come walking out right here, about 70 yards from my seat. He walked right here. He took one dry right through both shoulders from Old Faithful. Humped up, drove his claws in the ground right over here. You can see where he humped up. Beauty. Then his next digging track was right here. We found our first little spots of blood. Right here, in here. He was digging out through here, you can look and see. He kept coming through here. More blood on this branch here. I heard him this morning when I fired. I knew I had a good one. I had my crotch stick set up, good rest on it. He stepped out, he never stopped. He just kept walking steady, and I see him coming through the woods. So as soon as he stepped in the road, I didn't do the old classic, nightingale's snort wheeze, or a butt grunt, or a fucking fart sneeze, or anything like that. When I had the crosshairs on him, he was broadside, and he was walking. I said, I don't care if he's walking. Kawoom! Drilled it right behind the shoulder, right through the shoulder, actually. No exit wound, folks. No exit wound at all. It went in. He's a big old meaty bastard. I hit him right through this shoulder, right through the other shoulder, and the bullet, I'll show you the lead, it's sticking out of the other side, not completely through. Beauty. He come right through here, humping and driving. It was frosty cold. I could hear him crashing. Then I heard, choo, nothing. I said, either he's hit moss and took off running, or I've smoked him. Walked up the road, gathered up Mike. He come down. We started tracking him. He hit right here. A few more dug up spots right here. More dug up spots right here where he was just a digging. He blew this tree right here, folks, right over. I said, when I looked at that tree and I said, he blew that over, I said, deer don't just do that unless they're hurting. I looked up, and sure as shit, laid right up there. Right up over this flow down right here. Where he went, boom! Hold it right up.
There she is.
There he is, 2011. Didn't get the kill shot on film, folks. I'm sorry, I ain't got enough time to effing fire it, but got him. We'll get him, got it out. Smoked him right through the shoulder. Right there was the entry wound. Right there, went right in behind his shoulder right there. And it never made it all the way through him. 270, 200 and 150 grain bullet. Right there is a piece of lead on the other side of him. Big, thick, heavy deer. He's got good brows. Got some gnarly shit going on here. Great height on the G2s. We got just a beautiful buck here today, folks. Beautiful buck. Woo! Dylan Outdoors, 2011. Old Mossy goes down.
His horns.
See what happens when you shoot something this big, you gotta grab a hold of it like this and just mount it. Just completely just hump the shit right out of something like that.
What a beautiful buck.
I mean, that thing, that is just a nice, tall G2. This one's got a little gnarly, little twist happening to it. G3 here, just more like a crotch at the end. Oh man, character, look it down in here, all this gnarly, little naughty, hard shit. Just a nice, true, beautiful Maine buck, folks. Just a beautiful Maine buck. Right there. What a beauty. I've never been so pumped in my life. Just a nice, big buck right there. Alright, folks. We gotta get him gutted out. You've already seen me gut out a deer. I think we're just gonna gut this one out, not on film. But we'll gather camera back up, be back with you on the drag out. I don't know, somebody get in the middle. Try that out. Right here, or stop, grab that leg. Trying to figure out how to drag this mother up out of here, folks. It's a pretty good drag. Ain't the benoits. We tried hitching and everything else. It ain't working. We're going, he's got big enough headgear, we're just gonna go with the headgear. Don't pull until you're right out of breath. Slow down a little bit. I don't know why I do it. I tell everybody else don't go until you can't walk, and I do it every time. Tell them I wash the sweat, can't breathe, lungs hurt, seeing stars, my legs are just shaky. I mean everything. Nice. I'll take it though. All the more work, the better when you're deer hunting. Because the more work, that means the bigger the deer. Look at that, folks. That fucking lead is right there. Right there. He ain't got much left for forward shoulders.
Draggy!
Beauty. Out walking this fast.
I can't even.
Right back there running.
Fucking running with the camera.
Puffing, there's fog all over the camera lens. I'm just running. I got long johns, fleece pants, then fucking bully booger wool pants. Just absolute sweat, wash the sweat. Adrenaline.
We need a brandy drink.
We need a brandy. Adrenaline's pumping too much. We need a brandy sarsaparilla. Man. Fucking layers. I'll try it cooked up. Them Indians can have Adam raw.
Michael.
Fucking word. You like your parring now, boy? How you like your parring now, you old bastard? Woo! You sneaking around here in the night. I come down here 2 days ago. Walked up out of here at night. There was no parings in the road. Walked back down the next morning. There was this parring and 2 other parings down the road. Nice big ones. I'm pretty sure it was him. This morning he stepped out. Should have kept fucking around at night. Here we go. Tell you what I'm mixing when I get home. Brandy!
Yes. I got that on it.
Yeah, I think I just might partake in a brandy drink after we get him bagged and tagged.
Absolutely, I always have a bottle on hand.
Good sight to see right here. Yeah, you better run. Alright, stop and get a steady shot of his rat coming. What a beauty. Thank you so much for coming out on me this morning, old boy. What a friggin' beauty. I just texted Mike. 10
Mike, how you
minutes before
doing?
he come
I
out.
am just about fucking patched.
Not a sip of water between 5 of us. We're right out here in November hunting season, not a rifle between 5 of us, and not a fucking sip of water. But we're almost up out of here now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for having this old beauty walk out on me today. What a beauty. Tasty, not beer.
Bill, next time shoot it in a little higher spot, drag out. We're walking.
Here, what do you want the tap? Not to be confused with Willie.
Yeah.
Almost red solo cup time.
Almost.
Keep ripping a little bit.
Almost there. Almost. Finally, at the effing top.
Give it to her.
Just like that.
Just like that.
That looks a little bit bigger than the other one that was on the roof.
Going outdoors, 2011 success.
I love it. Oh, never mind.
There it is. 2011. Another BBD on the Subi hood. Subi roof. Soon to be on this wall here.
Yeah, all right.
That's my spot.
There you go,
That's
right
my
there.
spot right there.
Front and center, huh?
2011. Success. What's everybody's predictions?
I say 200.
I say 187. Anybody else want to throw a guess out there? 175?
193.
193? Guess it right, you can have a hunk of the loin. Here we go. 189.4. I was 2 pounds off. Not too bad. I get the loin. I get the loin.
Come on. Yeah, I thought he was going a lot bigger than that.
Small ass end on it. Well, folks, 2011 been one hell of a good year for me. Got the most beautiful girl ever born. Got the most beautiful girl ever born in the history of the whole world. Hi, can wave to the camera. And today, Dylan Outdoors finished off his successful 2011 hunting season with a wall hanging 8-pointer. Absolutely pumped. Little goose can fit right inside the rack. Look at me, Mom, I'm right inside the rack. I'm only as big as this rack is. Look at this great big deer. Dylan Outdoors, 2011. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Playing the big game by land or sea, smoking a camel and drinking brandy, hunting big bucks. You might think he's nuts, but he's better than porn. It's